Okay, so here we got a 1995 Polaris Magnum 425, and the speedometer trip meter knob is missing. And I've seen this on a few Polarises. I think some of the Sportsmen's, a lot of Polarises use this style speedometer. So, and you can't get this separate from the speedometer. So, but what I have noticed is like Yamaha Grizzly 600s, I think Kodiak 400s back in 95, Kodiak, something like that. Grizzly 600s, like I said, like a 2000. I think they made them, 99, 2000, 2001, something like that. They have the same speedometer. And I believe you could have gotten a knob separate, but they're discontinued. But then I noticed Suzuki King Quad 400s or 450s, 2008, I don't remember which one. Same style speedometer. You can get the knob separate. So what I did was I ordered the knob from Suzuki, and that's the number. And I don't know if it fits right now. So what I'm going to do is, in this video, take it out of the package and see if we have a hit or a flop. So it's a different look to it. It's not the same knob, but my hope is it fits, but I don't know. And there's actually a screw that holds it in. I did get the screw, but I'll worry about that later. See if this even fits. So I'll put this in. Who knows, maybe the shaft is bigger. It probably has to fit that tight, so it seals. Alright, so I pushed it in. So I wonder if it's going to mate with whatever it mates with in there. Look at that. I wonder if what's in there, if there's a screw this screw will work. No. So I can tell you that the screw is not going to fit in there. It's not that type of... So it is different, but this could actually get you by, and it fits in there enough to turn it, but you have to push on it. So it's not right, but it'll get you by, if that makes sense. So I wouldn't call it a fail or a flop, but I wouldn't call it a complete success either. I just would consider it maybe an option. If you're missing it, this would be better than nothing. I mean, it works. So I could see it would actually fall. This is actually holding it on decent enough. It won't fall off. You could take a little zip tie and zip tie that on. So anyway, I just thought I'd share this with you. I thought something would, maybe be helpful to somebody.
Thank you so much for watching. I make videos like this often. If this helped you out or you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button below and consider subscribing. Please also consider donating using the link in the description below, which helps keep this channel going. Hope to see you in the next video.